Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Hope everyone's having a lovely day. It's good to do another video after 3 months or 4 months now. So we have a new addition here. She's 3 months now. Today we are in Golden Bay. We are now in another beautiful beach in Golden Bay. This is Tooo Beach. We are on our way to 3months. We saw something really interesting. I don't know if you guys have ever seen swans on sea. Check this out. We're now heading to Fairville Split. You can find 2 tracks there. We're doing the easy one, obviously because of the baby. Hi! What are you doing here? Aren't you beautiful? We are now on our way to Warakiri Beach. This is a really cool track. Rukshan is going with the bub. Hey! Say hey! Bub is actually asleep now. It's amazing. You guys should come here. As you can see, this is pretty easy track. They have put some wood on the pathway, which is easy for anyone to travel. How was the walk?
It's really good.
Even with the baby?
Yes, love it.
Yay! Behind me is the beautiful Warakiri Beach. We are now heading to see some seal cubs. Can you all hear the waves? We're so close to the beach. The weather is pretty amazing actually. The last couple of days it was raining, unpredictable. But today it's nice and sunny. Little one. We just made it. It's pretty dark. We wanted to capture the sunset. Lesson learned. If you're going with the baby next time, carry a torch with you.